Hey Food Heroes, Ms. Anslow and Everett here with another Oregon State University nutrition lesson. I wonder if the bread is a clue. It was! Today's lesson is all about the grains group from MyPlate. You will learn what foods are in the grains group, why grains are good for us, a bit about the grains family, and at the end I will share a Food Hero recipe that you can try making at home. So let's jump in. I wonder if Everett can guess one more food from the grains group. Awesome, yes, O cereal is made from oats. Some other grains we eat are rice, wheat, and corn. Foods that are made from the grains include tortillas, noodles, muffins, pancakes, and bread. I bet you can think of more. We eat refined grain and whole grain foods. This is a wheat kernel. It has 3 parts. The first part, the big yellow part, is the endosperm. When we eat refined grains, that is the only part we eat. The benefit to refined grains is that they last a longer time on the shelf. Because refined grains are missing the other 2 parts, some of the nutrients are missing too. But don't worry, essential nutrients are added back. When we eat whole grains, we eat all 3 parts. That includes the endosperm, the bran. Bran is where we get fiber, super important, more about that later. And the third part is the germ. Everett, are you wondering about the germ? That is where the grain sprouts from. It germinates and grows a new wheat plant. We need to make half the grains we eat whole grains. Can you think of a whole grain snack? Yes, popcorn is a whole grain snack. I bet you read the label, Everett. Good job. Grains are a very important part of our diet. We get complex carbohydrates which give us energy to grow, move, and think. Sometimes I say grains feed your brains. We get minerals. When we eat whole grains, we get fiber, so important to keep our digestive systems healthy. And B vitamins, which break down food to give us energy. Nice move, Everett. You've been eating your grains. Most grains, including wheat, oats, corn, and barley, come from the grass family, or Poaceae, if you want to say the Latin name for the grass family. We eat the seeds. There are over 10,000 different species of grasses. If they are all in the same scientific plant family, it makes them a bit like cousins. Some are cereal grasses like wheat, and some, like bamboo, are kind of woody, and the leaves feed pandas. Before we get started with our recipe, let's review our food safety. Always ask an adult for help and wash your hands for 20 seconds. A great breakfast includes at least 3 food groups, and adding a grain food is always good. We need the energy. This recipe has dairy, fruit, and grains, plus it's really delicious. Overnight oats is a very easy recipe to make. Simply mix oats, milk, or yogurt and fruit together. Put it in the refrigerator overnight, and when you wake up, breakfast is ready. You can eat it cold or have an adult help you heat it up. Check out foodhero.org for the overnight oats recipe. Learn more about wheat and find coloring sheets. Remember to read the ingredients on food labels to find whole grains, and some whole grain foods will have the whole grain sticker. At myplate.gov, find the MyPlate Grains quiz to test your grains knowledge. Excellent job today, Food Heroes. You have earned your MyPlate Grain stamp. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Everett, that's a lot of books. I wonder what you want to learn about next.